Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed our 9-inch Android screen in a Hyundai Santa Fe 2016. This Santa Fe didn't come with the backup camera. We add the backup camera. And this is the 9-inch screen. Right now we are on Google Maps. That's where we are located in Toronto, Canada. It's fully touchscreen. It's fully Android. As you can see, you can browse on any apps you like, and it's Android 7.1. You can go to radio. The steering wheel control functioning same as before. You can make the volume up, down, change the channel. Right now it's updating the apps that are already installed on the unit. Also it comes with offline maps as well. I'm just gonna show you the backup camera. By going to reverse, it shows the back of the car. Going back to driver park, it goes back to the normal mode. Offline map is right here. That's the offline map, no need any data. Or you can go to the apps, and Google Maps is here. This one needs data. Right now we are using data from our office, so sharing the data from our office to the unit. Also you can do it from your phone, doesn't matter if you have iPhone, if you have Android phone, still you can share the data between your phone and the head unit. Bluetooth music streaming is here, which is A2DP. We can add front camera, we can add DVR to this unit, and it's fully touch. As I said, Play Store is here. You can download any apps that you like. You can play video if you have any video installed on the USB. I don't have anything right now. And the voice command for Google Voice is here. The front camera, if we install it, you can have access to front camera, and that's the DVR option right here. And also you can mirror link your phone to the same screen too. If you're interested to get this type of Android systems, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.